Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to Gentle Yoga to relieve knee pain. For this class, you're welcome to use a yoga strap, a belt, or a hand towel. But don't worry about it if you don't have those. Also, on a side note, make sure that you check with your doctor first if you're experiencing knee pain. And when you do yoga, always listen to your body first. Skip any poses or exercises that just don't feel good. So with all that being said, let's get started in Dandasana. Staff pose. Lengthen your legs out in front of you. Activate your legs. Flex your feet. Activate your kneecaps, your quadriceps. Sit up tall and relax your shoulders away from your ears. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. Then bring your awareness to your knees. Notice how they feel. And then relax your feet, relax your kneecaps. Now, keep your awareness on your knees, and you can gently place your hands around your knees. So not on the kneecaps, but around it, on the sides. And then bring your awareness and your hands to your right knee, and gently massage around your right kneecap. Very slowly and gently. Switching sides, massaging your left knee, not the kneecap, but around it. Wonderful. And then from here, we'll do a few active stretches for our knees. Bring your right knee up, plant your right foot down into the ground. I'm starting with my left leg first so you can see better. So we're going to slide the left heel back and forth 8 times. Bend your left knee. And then slide your left heel forward and back, bending your left knee. Slide your left heel forward. We're going slow and controlled. And bend your left knee, sliding your left heel back. Sliding your left heel forward. Slide it back. Slide it forward. And back. We're halfway there. Slide your left heel forward, back, bending your left knee. Slide it forward and back. Slide it forward and back. Last one, slide it forward and back. Switching sides, plant your left foot down. Flex your right foot, sliding your right heel forward and back. Bending your right knee. Slide your right heel forward and back. Slide it forward, back, bending your right knee. Slide it forward and back. Keep your breath smooth and steady. Slide your right heel forward and back. Slide it forward and back. We're almost there. Slide your right heel forward, the last 2. And back. And the last one, slide your right heel forward. And back. Good job. And then come back in Dandasana again, staff pose. We're going to activate the quadricep. So when you do this, your kneecap, your patella will lift up. So starting with your left side, activate your left quad and relax. Activate it and relax. It's very subtle, but you feel this. Activate your left quad and relax. Activate it and relax. Do a few more. Activate it, relax. Activate your quad and kneecap and relax. And the last one, and activate it and relax. Good work. Going to the other side, your right side, so you can place your hands on your right quad as you activate it and relax. Activate it, relax, activate your right quad and relax. Strengthen it and relax. Activate your right quad. Relax, you can release your hands. Activate it. Relax. And the last two to activate. Release. And the last one, activate it. And relax. Well done. You can shake it out. And then go ahead, grab your strap if you have it, or your hand towel or belt. Lie down on your back. Plant your left foot down into the ground with your left knee up. And then place your right foot in the loop of your strap, belt, or towel. Hold on to your strap and straighten out your right leg. Flex your right foot and really straightening out your right leg so you feel a stretch in the back of your right leg. Now, if you don't have a strap, don't worry about it. You can always hold on to your leg, but make sure that you're really stretching and straightening out your right leg. Flex your right foot, keeping it active. And just hold it here while you're breathing in and out through your nose. Long, slow, deep breaths. Really stretching the hamstrings, the muscles behind your knee, your calf. And remember, if it's too much, you can always release. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, you can straighten out your left leg. But that's an option, so check with yourself first. Now for an IT band stretch, gently bring your right leg over towards your left side. So when you're using a strap, you can keep holding onto your strap and adjust wherever you need to. You can hold onto your leg. This is a really nice stretch for your IT band. Breathe into it. And then slowly bring your right leg back to center, bend your right knee, and release the strap or the towel. Get ready to switch sides. Plant your right foot down, right knee is up. Straighten out your left leg. Loop your strap around your left foot, and then make sure that you're really straightening and lengthening your left leg. Feel the stretch in your whole back area of the leg. Really stretching your left hamstring. Breathe into it. Take long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. And like I did on the other side, if you want to intensify it, you can always straighten out your right leg. So that's optional. And then whenever you're ready, go for the IT band stretch. Gently bring your left leg over towards your right side. Breathe into your left IT band. Long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Good job. Take one more deep breath here. And then slowly bring your left leg back to center. Then bend your left knee and release the strap. You can put it aside. Then plant your left foot into the ground, left knee is up, and gently hug your right knee in towards your chest, hold on to your right knee, and 4 times bring your right knee in towards your chest and then gently push it away. Bring your right knee closer to you, push it away, bring it in, push it away. Last one, bring it in closer and push it away. Then hold for 1 deep breath. And release, switching sides. Plant your right foot down, right knee is up. Hugging your left knee in towards your chest. And then bring your left knee closer. Gently push it away. Bring it in. Push it away. Bring it in. And gently push it away. The last one, bring it closer to your chest and gently release. These are just very subtle movements. And then release your left foot down. For banana pose, another really nice stretch for your IT band. Shift your hips over to your right, your chest and head to your left. Lengthen out your legs and walk your legs a little bit over to your left side so you're in a banana shape. You can keep both heels on the ground. You can also place your left ankle over your right or the right ankle over your left. That's more an intense option. So you have several options here. Place your hands on your hips and make sure that they're grounded. You can keep your hands there or place your arms overhead, maybe holding on to opposite elbows. So you have several options here in banana pose. Make sure that you're as comfortable as possible and that you can hold this pose, this stretch, for about a minute. Then allow yourself to relax, get a little bit deeper into the pose, into the stretch each time you exhale. This is really good for your whole side body and especially your IT band, the iliotibial tract. It's a long piece of connective tissue that runs alongside the side of your leg from your hip to your knee and your shin bone. And holding this pose, this banana pose, a little bit longer allows the connective tissue to relax. It's a really good juicy stretch. So keep bringing your awareness back to your IT band, keeping your awareness on your breath. Stay here for about 30 more seconds. And then begin to deepen your breath. And slowly, mindfully take your time to come out of this stretch. And then get ready for the other side. You can bring your knees up, shift your hips over to your left. Bring your chest and head over to your right. Lengthen out your legs and walk your legs over to your right side. So you don't have to go super far. Just when you're feeling it, you're doing it. Keep both heels on the ground. Place your right leg over your left. Or place your left ankle over your right. That's the more intense option. Check your hips. Place your hands on your hips. Make sure they're grounded. You can keep your hands there or place them overhead. Get as comfortable as possible. Adjust where you need to. And then once you've found your version of banana pose, try to be as still as possible. Keeping your focus on your breath. Focus on your whole left side body, especially your IT band. And each time you exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into the stretch. Allow the connective tissue, your muscles, the tendons, ligaments, allow it all to relax. Staying here for another 30 seconds. Keep coming back to your breath and the sensations in your body. And then finish with one deep clearing breath in and out through your nose. And slowly and mindfully release. Coming back to center, and we'll finish this class in constructive rest pose. Lying down on your back with your knees up and leaning against each other. Bring your heels wider than your hips, with your heels facing out and your big toes facing in, kind of like pigeon toes. Arms are along your body with your hand palms facing up and head is in the center. Take 5 deep cleansing breaths in and out through your nose, allowing your body to relax and release even more. Notice where your body is connected with the ground and allow yourself, your body to get heavier. Allow your body, your muscles, your bones, your skin to get softer and more relaxed. Taking this time to neutralize really helps to soak in all the benefits of this yoga practice. And then take a deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Stretch your body out, roll over to your right side. Slowly take a seated cross-legged position to finish our practice together. And then as you inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, unite your palms and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Thank yourself for taking this time to take care of you, your health and well-being. May this practice be a blessing to you, and thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with a free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours by clicking the first link below in the description box. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what your favorite part was and how this video went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.